Hi, I hope you are doing well. And I have completed my assessment, and let me show you its demo. I have developed this whole assessment for my task using Django and MVC pattern that is of Django. And before running this project student portal, I need to start the Docker for my other modules like library module and finance module. And here is library module that I cloned from GitHub from the provided links. And let me start it using Docker. Uh, it's trying to start our library module, and as you can see that library module is running on port number 18. And similarly, we need to start our finance module. So let me start it and use. And my ATP port. Server socket created and IP address. I think it's running now. And as you can see that our library module is running on port 80 through Docker. And similarly, our finance module is also running here. Yeah. So let me complete it. Uh, yes. Finance application is now running without any error. So now we can start our student portal. So before to run this project, here is a requirement txt file that shows the modules that we used in for this project. And first of all, we need to enable activate the environment, virtual environment. So source. As you can see that environment is activated. Now, first of all, before running this project, as you can see that in our profile, here is a test file where we have added some test cases to test over this project. So sign up test, and you can see that here we have added multiple test cases. So let me show you first of all test. So we can run the test by using command python manage.py test. When we hit this command, it will start testing our projects. As you can see that it found 9 tests, and now each test is running. And if there is an error in our project or in our test cases, it will detect this error, and it's running. So we have to wait so that test cases can complete. And as you can see that 9 test cases are passed. No, look, okay, everything is okay, and we have passed our test cases. So now we can run our project using command python manage.py run server. So we can hit this command, and here is our student portal is running on 8 port number 8000. We can use this link to. And here we got that student portal. Please ensure that library finance and library modules are running. Have added some comments here, and you know that our both module finance and library modules are running through Docker, and we can also open them in new tab localhost. I think 80, 81. Here is our finance module and localhost uh, 89 was for library. Sorry, I think it's on port number 80. Yeah, here is our library module. Uh, Here we have, so now we can start our student module. So let me start it with a sign up and email. We can enter in email test@gmail.com. We can use any email so that we can sign up here. Username test and password. Let me set its password. Register. So So as you can see that our student account is created and also our library account is created. And as they mentioned in our requirements that when a student account created successfully, it must create a library account. And now we can use this account to log in our portal as test and let me try to log in. Successfully logged in. So now we can see that we are logged in, and here we can see there our dashboard and logout button. So now we will try to explore our courses. So here are courses that I have added in using Django admin panel and course price, sorry, course fee and our title and description and so let me check out our first course and we will try to enroll in this course. So when we try to enroll, and, now you can see that as mentioned in our requirements that when a student try to enroll in his first course, a finance module must be created at this point. So it was our first enrolled, and here we can see that student account is created. This means that finance module account is created for this particular user and course enrolled, and here we can got its reference ID. So let me show that if this is working or not. Let me copy it and we can use finance portal to check this ID. We will find this invoice and here you can see that our reference ID, student ID, amount 830. Similarly here is and now also you can see that when we enrolled in our first course, we can also see these tabs, enrollments and graduation. And now we can check over all enrollments. Here we can see that we have enrolled in our first only a single course and my enrollments. We can see all enrolled courses. And if we try to check our graduation status, and in graduation we need to pay, as you can see that we are not eligible for graduation because we have this advice in outstanding. We have not paid this or I have not cancelled or anything. So first of all we will try to pay this. So we can pay using this and now you can see that its status is paid. And if now we start reload this page, sorry, graduation, and as you can see that now we are eligible for graduation because we have not any outstanding invoice. So let me enroll in our in another course enrolled and its reference ID what and graduation we are not eligible. And now let me show you dashboard page. So here is our users dummy picture I used here and here is our email and student ID that we can use in our library account and before. log into like library account, let me show you the this section. And here you can see that all invoices that are created through this account. And first of all, first account that we sorry, here is our first reference ID that we paid here. And here's our second with amount $300, and its status is outstanding. And full name not settled yet. Let me edit this profile. First name we can use the TEST, test user. Now you can see that full name is test user. This means that our editing profile updation is working as expected. And our student ID is here. And here we can all see all list of our invoices that are created using this account. And here is the library account information. This means that student ID here, and default pin is that is 60 that are mentioned in library module. So we will use this ID to log in our library module, and also we will use this pin code that is 6 times 0. And now we need to change our ID, sorry, pin code, register. As you can see that now we are registered in our library portal. And here are the books that are in our library portal. And if we try to borrow this book, and we will use this ISBN, control C, and borrow a book, borrow. We borrowed this book, and date returned. And as you can see that we borrowed a book with this book I, and we also see that our account, we can, if we try to return that book, and hence we can. As you see that our finance and library module is working with this particular user. We can also update our profile, and we can also see that all invoices that are here. Now let me show you. Let me try to find a course by a course. As you can see that we will try to find this data science and Python. Let me show you data. If we try to search this course, and search result, here we got our particulars. And we will try to enroll in this. We enrolled, and as you can see that when we enroll in a course, it shows cancel enrollment. If we try to cancel this enrollment, and no invoice cancelled, so this means that our enrollment is removed, and also invoice is deleted from finance module. And similarly, we can also use our logout button to log out from our user account. And that's all. Thank you.